forest is?
12 square miles. I googled it.
The girl has been missing for over 2 weeks.
Do you really think we'll be able to find her in a forest this big?
If we can't find her, then no one else can find her, because we're the best detectives in town.
Farkle, is that woman's shoe size like a woman's 50 or something?
Not if she's human. Oh no, the Wi-Fi's gone.
Farkle, get off the phone. Look at that footprint.
In a forest this big, we will need to split up. Officer Cyrus, you will go with Officer Cyrus. Go! Now! And Officer Ryzen, you will come with me, and we will meet back here at 17 hours sharp. Let's go find that girl.
Wow, someone really must hate trees.
Someone or something. Maybe it's the missing girl.
That girl must have really long fake nails. Or it's just a mutant bear.
Hey look, there's more scratch marks. Let's follow them and see where it leads to.
Okay. What are you two girls doing here? We're detectives Sprinkle and Farkle.
Here to find the missing girl.
Yeah, we know who you are. We'll take it from here. And you two city girls shouldn't be here.
Fine, but at least take our business card.
Find our merch at www.thisisnotarealwebsite.com.
This is the best chance we've got of finding the girl. Look at all this gross stuff. Something's not right here.
I agree.
This force is scaring me.
Or we could have burritos.
Farkle, be serious.
If you think about it, these trees do look like giant broccoli. And you are?
Are you trying to get us infected? Infected by what exactly? That monster over there. That's just a cop.
Is that what they look like without their coffee?
No, look closer.
Black file! Black file!
That big monstrosity over there, he's Cyrus, the leader, and the one turning everybody into monsters.
Is there a way to stop the infection?
Way ahead of you. You see, during the transformation, a human's blood becomes acid, and in order to counteract the acid, you need to give him one of these. Tongues? It's that simple.
How do we feed it to them?
We could lure them into a cage, but how? My studies show that the monsters like these the most. I've got Twinkies, Skittles, and Doritos. Do you think my bear cage will work? Totally!
Ooh, looky here. Look at all this delicious food. How do you think the police's system into putting in the fake missing girl was the best idea I've ever come up with? Dig in, boys, what I call the Doritos. Lock the gate!
We were looking for a missing girl. Did you like you captured by the Germans? In 2018? 2018? Wait, are you General Cyrus? The great General Cyrus who supposedly died from a nuclear explosion?
Well, thank you for making me look brave.
We did it!